Hello, my dear students! Привет! My name is Irina. Я Ирина. And today I'm going to be teaching you Russian. Русский язык. Today we will talk about the verb to love. To love. You can love people, you can love objects, you can love animals, you can like something and not love. In the Russian language, like and love is the same word. Любить. 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 To love. Любить. It is stressed. Today we're going to conjugate the verb любить and we will learn how to say I love you. That's very important. Okay, so let's conjugate the verb любить. Любить. And we see the ending it. We have different endings in the Russian language. It can be it, it can be at, yat, yet. Today we will see at the verb with the ending it. This is a stem, люб. Люб is the stem. So you can see the stem in every form, but we're going to change the ending and we're going to put special endings to each person. The first form has an imposter, a special letter L. That means it's not the rule. Just here we get L as an exception. Я люблю. Я люблю. I love. Я люблю. Okay? Next one. Ты любишь. Ты любишь. The accent is on лю. One more time, repeat after me. Please repeat. Ты любишь. Ты любишь. I want you to pay attention that we have a silent, soft sign in the end that makes sh soft. Ты любишь. Я люблю. Ты любишь. Okay, next one. He loves. Он любит. Он любит. Он любит. Она любит. Оно, which is it, любит. He, she, it. Он, она, оно. All of them have the same form. Любит. I want you to pay attention that you see we have E here. E. So mostly we will have E in the ending. So we can actually see the conjugation. Он любит, она любит, мы, so we love, мы любим, мы любим, мы любим, мы любим. Вы, which means you guys, вы любите, вы любите, вы любите. Very good. Они любят. Они любят. Они любят. Okay? Любят. Я люблю. Ты любишь. Он любит. Она любит. Оно любит. Мы любим. Вы любите. Они любят. Please pay attention. In the end, we have ят. Они любят. Okay. Your task is to learn the forms of the verb любить. Now, we're going to learn how to say I love you and you love me. So, who do you love? This is an accusative case. So, we're going to take the pronouns and we're going to make the accusative version. Me, you, him, her, us, you, and them. Who? Accusative case. Remember that. we have the words that we need to learn. I love who, I love you, or she loves who, she loves us. So when you put a question who, you make an accusative form of the pronouns. An accusative form. We have cases in the Russian language, and here we have an accusative form. So, but before we do this, let's review again the forms of the verb любить, because you have to remember them or look at them in front of you in your copybook. Я люблю, ты любишь, он любит, она любит, мы любим, вы любите, они любят. Я will be меня, me. Меня, меня, меня. I love you. Тебя. Who? You. Тебя. Okay? I love him. Его. Его. You see G here, but you say V. Его. Его. Very good. He loves her. Her will be ее. 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 Very good. I love your accent. You guys love us. Us will be нас. Нас. Very similar to English, right? Us, нас. Us, нас. Okay? Нас. I love you guys. Plural form. Вас. 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 Я люблю вас, for example. And them will be их. 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 For example, we love them. Мы любим их. Okay, now let's make sentences. Я люблю тебя. I love you. Я люблю тебя. Ты любишь меня. You love me. Ты любишь меня. Ты любишь меня. I want to remind you that to make a question, you just need to make an intonation. You love me? Ты любишь меня? Ты любишь меня? Okay? He loves her. Он любит ее. Он любит ее. And she loves him. Она любит его. Она любит его. We love them, for example. Мы любим их. Мы любим их. You guys love us, for example. Вы любите нас. Вы любите нас. And for example, they love you. They love you. Они любят вас. Они любят вас. Себя. 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 Бя is stressed. Себя. So, one more time. If you love another person, you can crisscross as much as you want. Он любит нас, вы любите меня. But if you love yourself, or you love yourself, or he loves himself, in the English language we have myself, yourself, himself, themselves. In the English language it can be even plural. In the Russian language you take this one word and you put everywhere. It doesn't have gender, it doesn't have plural or singular forms. You say я люблю себя, ты любишь себя, он любит себя, она любит себя, мы любим себя, вы любите себя, они любят себя. Do you understand? Okay, put a little plus mark in the comment section below so I know you understand. Okay? Okay, next. In reality, we don't really have a specific word order. You can say я люблю тебя or я тебя люблю. Actually, я тебя люблю sounds even better than я люблю тебя. It doesn't matter, to be honest. You can say я люблю тебя, я тебя люблю. But I usually say я тебя люблю. Он ее любит, он любит ее. Вы нас любите, вы любите нас. So you can change. But you cannot say нас любите вы. It sounds kind of weird. The same goes with the word себя. Я себя люблю себя. I love myself, I myself love. Yeah, you can totally do it, and that's amazing. You speak perfect Russian. So today we actually took a lot. We took the verb любить, we conjugated the verb, we learned the endings, and then we learned how to say me, you, him, her, us, them. But also we learned about the word order, and we also learned about the word yourself, himself, себя. So you guys did a really great job today. I'm super proud of you. Don't stop studying because you will achieve the results if you don't stop. I usually say in the Russian language, to reach the end of the road, you have to walk the road. So walk the damn road, okay? Walk the road. Okay, I hope I inspired you, and I want to tell you пока-пока. Пока-пока. Я вас люблю. Я люблю вас. Пока-пока. Welcome to my private classes. I teach one-on-one. I can teach you grammar, vocabulary, and also Russian pronunciation. Whether you have a Russian girlfriend or you're traveling to Russia for business or just want to learn Russian for fun, that's me. I'm gonna teach you all the necessary words and all the necessary grammar so you can start speaking as fast as possible. If you want Russian classes, please text me +1 323 910 7690 and ask for private classes. You can ask for prices and we're going to schedule our first class. Also, I am building my website, Insta Language Online, where you can find 6 languages that I teach. English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French, and Portuguese. My name is Irina Movsisyan, and welcome to my classes. Спасибо большое, дорогие друзья. I love you very much. Увидимся. Пока-пока.